Hi, it's krzysiu.net. This tutorial will be about creating nice text effects, very simple, in Inkscape. As you may know, it's a free tool. You may use your work commercially, so basically it's called free software, open software. And I have a request for you: if you can subscribe to my channel, because I'm close to reaching the goal of the YouTube partnership program, so I can get back to it, and this will help me in earning a few cents. So okay, let's start with this one. It's the simplest. Okay, let's create any text, and for our uses, always keep this one turn on. I will show why in a moment. Okay, so set the fill and shift click to add stroke. Now stroke style, and choose, for example, dots. You may play with dashes. This is the one. Next, with joints, it won't give you much, but at the end of the characters it will show up. Now this is fine for our use. And cap, this changes a lot. And of course, size of the stroke. Okay, that's good enough. Oh, and that thing I was explaining, look, this I'm changing and resizing, and text basically stays the same except size. And if I would turn it off, that would change every time I'm scaling the object. So it's not what we want here. Okay, next one is the Icecube one. Let's make it with different font, like dense. Okay, blue. And maybe bold. Okay. This will be a bit different, but okay. Control D to duplicate it, and now remove the stroke and set the color to different, like this. You see, quite cool. We can play a bit with, like this one. As I said, it's your imagination. Here we have interesting thing, just like ready for to be a logotype. Logotype is a text you have with logo, like the famous Coca-Cola text. Okay, so this and this one. Oh, and of course, remember, if you want to have text visible on this, with this stroke, like here, if you change color of the text, it will the stroke will be inside the text, so you can duplicate it. See, we have two. Control D, and remove stroke, so it's above it. Okay, now Cupcakes is basically just a variation of the last one. Let's make some like this, sweet, Comic Sans, okay. Maybe bold. Stroke paint. Again, very nice logo for something unexpected. That's what I like here. It's very unexpected, to be honest. Okay, let's make it like this. And now just to show, duplicate it, remove this time fill, and make the different color, like lime, of the stroke. As you see, it's on the top of the previous stroke, so that's why we have to use offset here. Let's just move it. Okay, and duplicate again and move it again. And once more. You see, it's very cool. Different, but cool. Here I used a few layers, like this one, just a stroke. This one, it's a stroke with fill, and this is a stroke with fill that you can't see. Okay, and the nicest I think is the Glitchy. So let's make it. Okay, reset the stroke and change the font to I think it's weird, but okay. Like this, okay, stroke style, and now some of the big strokes like this, and make it bigger. And square cap works the best here. Maybe a bit smaller, okay. And this, and now as you see, it's a bit different. Okay, this, and alright. And now path, object to path, and path, break apart. So now you can select and move. Okay, now you have something like this. So just to recap, you can play with size of the stroke, dashes style, dashes offset, cap is important, joint is less important, color of the text and combination, so like here, two texts at once. Okay, and that will be all. Thank you very much. Goodbye. See you next time.